like the one that had hot and just melted and folded over, or what? We may reuse this right here. We've already swapped this one out with a good plug. We're gonna pull these here. This out of the way. This one right here. You really got to get out of the way to get this plug here off. It's this one right here. These two flathead screwdrivers right here. And then you can get it back on. Easier than it is to take off. Now those coils are right here. Little box of goodies right there. I got it was supposed to be. Should not have been in there. This is not a fuse, this is a resistor. What it's in there for. One at a time, so each coil pack stays. It works fine. The plugs that were in the car used a 6-point line. There's supposed to be some plug. We're going to put the 6-point in there. Hold it over as well. These plugs here burnt for 2 days since I'm ready. And I swear these plugs. After we do this, after we pull the plug out, NGK 8AR8 K8G LZKBR8. It's definitely different. Keeping up with everything because there's no reason. That's stupid. The exact part number that this thing calls for. Go over there, do it.